artists. Do you love ice cream? Today, we are going to draw a super yummy ice cream together,
Yay!
step by step.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's draw a rounded rectangle in the middle of the page. Great job! This is the body of our ice cream. Now, at the bottom, draw a small handle or stick. Next, draw 2 tall rectangles inside the ice cream. These will make it look extra yummy and fun. Now draw some small lines and shapes for decoration. You can make it look however you like. Finally, let's make it look 3D and realistic by adding a few extra lines on the sides. Wow! It looks so cool already! Nice job, everyone! Now, let's go over the lines again and make the outline bold and sharp so it really pops.
La da 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 dee.
Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's bring out our color pens. Brown color.
Wow!
Maroon color. Pink color. Cream color. Red color. Wow! Your ice cream looks so delicious and colorful. Awesome job today, little artists. Keep practicing and keep drawing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.